Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm kind of gonna do another chit chat, get ready with me this week because I can. Because I have something on my mind. Been kind of thinking about this and then something was said to me. So, we're gonna talk about it because that's how I operate. I've been thinking about a lot of comments that go around of men don't like when you wear makeup. Men don't like a girl who wears that much makeup. Really? Why do you assume that we do it because we want guys to see it? That's the funniest thing I've ever heard. No. We do it for ourselves. I had somebody walk up to me at a gas station the other day wearing my purple, green, blue kind of look that I did the other day. And, excuse me, I just wanted to say that is a lot of makeup. No guy is going to want a girl that wears that much makeup. Mind you, wedding ring on, yes. I wear this as my wedding ring. I don't wear my actual one often because working out, going to the gym, I work with young kids, stuff happens. Well, I was like, well, that's funny because I am married. I do have a guy and he doesn't mind when I wear that much makeup. I mean, I know there are certain things that he doesn't like that I do, but why is it about that? I mean, women wear makeup for a number of reasons. Several, in fact. We wear makeup to express ourselves. It's our art. We enjoy it. We like creating crazy looks on our face and wearing them out. So, leave it alone. It's a source of creativity. It allows us to express ourselves, show a side of ourselves. It's part of our style. Makeup is just like hair and clothes. You wouldn't tell a girl not to go do her hair. Oh, don't wash your hair. Guys don't like that. Could you imagine? Oh, please don't brush your hair at all. I mean, if that's your thing, that's fine. I'm not trying to rag on that, but it's just one of those really? Let me do my makeup. Let me do my makeup the way I want to do my makeup. Why do you get a say on how I look? Seriously, if I want to go out like this, I could. Who's going to stop me? That is the real question. Who is actually going to stop me? The other thing is, I mean, I know several women here on YouTube who use makeup as a self-care. Meaning that is their time for them. That is their time to pamper themselves. That is their time to make themselves feel beautiful. And here's the other thing. Beauty's subjective. Maybe my husband likes me with that much makeup on. Maybe I like myself with that much makeup on. Ever thought of that? Ever thought of it? I don't know. It's just one of those things. But yeah, self-care. That's their time for them. So they take their time to make themselves feel good about, can you believe it? Women wanting to feel good about themselves. Well, and here's the other side of that coin. I mean, there are women who don't like makeup. That's fine. You do you. You don't have to like makeup. I didn't always used to wear makeup, but now it's just one of those things that I like to do. I like to feel creative. And makeup allows me to feel creative. Oh my gosh, heaven forbid. forbid I express myself as a woman. Heaven forbid I show my individuality. I'm not a clone? Oh my gosh. I'm a little frustrated, can you tell? I don't like when people have this like idea of what beauty should be. Like, if you're not wearing it and you don't like it, you don't have to say anything about it. Oh my goodness. You could say it to yourself, I would never do that. But guess what? Somebody else might. And somebody else might enjoy it. Keep your mouth shut. Oh, man. I mean, it's also on that... It was just funny to me that it was a woman that walked up to me and said it. I mean, I've had men say that. Also, on that note, I also like when guys are like, you should smile. You would look better. This is my face. I don't always smile. I don't have to smile. I hate that. Don't tell me to smile. If I don't want to smile at you, I don't have to. Oh, did I hurt your feelings? But I really don't understand when other women rag on other women for choosing to or not to wear makeup. Like, that's a personal choice. I mean, we all have different ways we like to express ourselves. We all have different ways that we like to do things. But don't rag on. I mean, some women just don't like makeup. Case in point, I used to not wear makeup. I did eyeliner and mascara, and that's about it. That's how I went out. But, like, let women be. The whole, like, standard of beauty just needs to be thrown out the door. Out the window, out the car, I don't care. Like, off a bridge, push it. I don't care what you do with it. We all have different ways we like to look. We all have different ways we like to feel. Also, okay, here's another thing on that point. Like, if there's a guy that wants to wear makeup, leave it alone. He's expressing himself. I don't know, I've just seen a lot of crap lately where people are like, oh my gosh, there's a guy wearing makeup. Did you know in history men have worn makeup before? It's really not that big of a deal. Like, really? Not that big of a deal. Leave it alone. I don't know. I guess my whole point of this is, like, everyone's going to express themselves differently. Everyone's going to have different ideas of what looks good on them. But you don't have to put those ideas of what looks good on you onto somebody else. Like, that person might already have 1,000,001 different expectations placed on them by people, and just back off. It's like when I get people who are like, oh, so at work, outside walking into my job, this lady there, she walks over to me. This is when I had blue hair. Walks over to me and goes, oh, you decided to do that color? Okay. Well, it is America. You're not wearing it? Like, seriously. She also saw me the other day and saw that my hair's black, and she just gave me this little up and down look, like, I was like, okay. Mind you, I tend to wear a lot of black. Like, a lot of black. And it's just kind of become habit. It's easy for me to wear. That's why I wear it. I also like it. And it might have been I was wearing a lot of black and really bright eyeshadow. Really bright eyeshadow. So that might have tipped the scales there. Just. But I mean, as I said, makeup is expression. Guys, girls, anyone in between, anyone, no matter how you identify, if you want to wear makeup, do it. If you don't want to wear makeup, do it. But like, let's just stop this whole like criticizing each other because of it. Or walking up to random strangers and telling them they would look better without makeup and men don't like makeup. Or commenting on people's Instagram pictures. With that same comment, you're not really doing anything. You're just gonna make me want to put more makeup on. And I'm that person. Tell me not to do something, or tell me that you don't like something, I'm gonna go to the extreme just to piss you off. That is who I am. Sorry, not sorry. I think I'm gonna play with it. Like, I've been obsessed with this. I don't... Green. What do you think? Green. Green. It's green. Yes. Green with envy. I don't know what I'm envious of. I just felt like saying that. I'm being weird. I'm ranty and I'm moody. And I ate all of my calories for the day. And there's part of me that just wants to eat everything in sight, but I've been so good about it that I don't want to screw it up. So there's that whole spiel. I'm gonna try really hard not to mess it up. I'll put it that way. Okay, so I'm gonna go and set it with the shade Caress right here. I don't know. I just what are your thoughts on people telling you you shouldn't wear makeup because men don't like it? Really? All men? Talk to every man on the planet. Every single one's been like, no. Natural beauty only. No, men want the no makeup look. They don't want the extreme. They want you to look like you've been airbrushed, which I think is hilarious. Now, mind you, I have a very supportive husband who's not the one saying this stuff. It was just more the fact that a random stranger walked up to me and was like, you know, men don't like makeup. Oh, they don't? Man, I really was hoping I did. I'm going to take Feign, which is this kind of bluish green, and that is what I'm going to work into my crease. It's like a seafoam. Look at that. But I don't know. I don't know what that's all about. I don't have time for that. I don't have time for that. Do you have time for that? It's funny because I was thinking, oh, I'm going to do something a little less dramatic. And then I go in with green. That's what I'm going with. Oh well, we're doing it. It's already been done. We're there. We are there. Fluffy brush, fluffy, fluffy, fluffy brush. Going in with the shade Wicked. Sorry, I got distracted by the fact that I'm using green because I love green. Should play with green more. Green, 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 green. All the green. So I have a video idea and I have to convince my husband because I think it'd be funny. Like 10 things he doesn't like about when I wear makeup. Meaning like what happens to his clothes. Or how long it takes me to get ready, because sometimes it does take me a while. I just thought it would be funny because like his take on things to me is just, it's interesting. But at the same time I'm like, do I really want to know what you think of my makeup? No, don't. I'm probably not going to open that can of worms, and this video kind of like made me think about that, going, I don't know if I want to be angry at my husband. I don't know. Also, the notion that women just wear makeup to be vain, that's not necessarily true. Okay, so there's like two sides to this. There's like the society, oh, don't wear makeup. Oh, you should really wear makeup. Like, there's that double-edged like sword, like, sorry, damned if you do, damned if you don't, side to makeup that I find fascinating. Like, because if I don't wear makeup, I get told how tired I look and how just like, oh, you must have been up so late. Like, it's just funny. No, this is just how my face looks. This right here is my face. This is how it looks. It's my face. I don't know. How many of you get that one? That one's always fun for me. Ooh, I'm going to take that. Sorry, I don't think I told you. This green right here is Medusa. That's the darker green. I'm going to take it under my eye. And I don't know if I'm just rambling right now. I'm sorry if I am. I'm in a mood. I am in a mood. So I'm not going to put on any eyeliner. Oh, I know, no eyeliner. I'm actually going to use this Tarte Lifted mascara. It's this brown mascara. I've been liking it lately. I know something's wrong with me, but I just like that it makes my lashes look fuller. And yeah, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Ooh, I'm liking the green. I think I need to wear green more often. So I'm going to go in with this Milani blush. And give myself some color. And now, for the highlighter, we're going in with this. I have no idea what color I'm doing in my lips. I have like 9,000. I have lipsticks everywhere. Everywhere. I think I'm going to go in with Vivid. It's so pretty. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, so I thought about it, and I think I'm gonna go in with Trap. I don't know what happened to the stopper, but it's just a mess. Like the stopper got eaten away. Somebody ate it. They ate my stopper. Well, that's the end of my rant, and let me know your thoughts on this topic as well. And, well, here's my look. I like it. I'm gonna wear makeup all I want. Sorry if you don't like it. I like it. There's my thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my rant, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, and bye!